how to remember something so that we can communicate it to somebody else.
Naren.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. Have you ever been reading a book or attending a lecture where you really want to remember something so that you can communicate it to somebody else in the future, not immediately? I'll give you one mental trick. What you gotta do is, before you start reading the book or attend the lecture, you gotta think to yourself, hey, I have to teach this to somebody tomorrow. When you say that to your mind and tell yourself you have to teach this to somebody tomorrow itself, what you'll do is you'll automatically pay more attention and more focus towards the book or the lecture. Once that happens, once you have more focus, half the job is already done and you will retain stuff much better so that you can communicate it further again. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.